Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English version, Math, Exercise 4.2, Question number 5 and 6. Find the value of 8x cube plus 27y cube and find the value of p cube minus q cube. This is actually, these are in the form of corollaries. In algebra, we know a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A cube minus b cube equals to minus b cube equals to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. This is a cube plus b cube form, and this is a cube minus b cube form. We can just use these two corollaries. Let us start. Question number 5. Eight x cube plus 27y cube. 8x cube plus 27y cube. Can we write 2x whole cube? 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube. Yes, we can write 2x plus 3y whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Minus 3a means 2x, b means 3y, a plus b means 2x plus 3y equals to, let us put the value. It is 13. 2x plus 3y means 13. 13 cube minus 3 into 2 into 3 means 18. 18 xy means 6. 18 into 6 into 2x plus 3y means 13. So 13 equals to 13 cube means 2197. 2197 minus 18 into 6 into 13 equals to 1404. 1404 equals to 793. 793. Answer 793. Now question number 6. Question number 6. We have to find the value of p cube minus q cube. P cube minus q cube equals to, can we write following this corollary? A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b whole cube. Here a means p, b means q. So p minus q whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b means 3pq into p minus q equals to, p minus q value is 5. So 5 cube plus 3 into pq means 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into p minus q. P minus q means 5 into 5 equals to 125 plus 9 into 5, 45 equals to 170. So answer is 170. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.